YouTube? We're back with the push button challenge, and that's pretty much it. Found a massive bluegill. First starting off, make sure that's all good. Somebody said this is the best bait to use currently, or a worm like this. I'm gonna call it spinny tail worm. That's what I'm gonna call it. Spinny tail worm. It's probably what it's called. I don't know. I don't know what it's called. So something's wrong with this. It's not casting right. Oh well, we figured it out. That was the most pathetic cast I've ever had with this rod. Everything seems okay. I'm just gonna pinch it like I sometimes do. Oh, that makes a lot more sense. Well, we're tangled up in the first, what is it, minute? One problem with push buttons. You know what? I'm just gonna roll with it. Oh, is something to have it? I don't think this bait's usually this heavy. Don't you love whenever your reel just doesn't reel? It's so fun, isn't it? Also, happy pre-4th of July. I got my 4th of July outfit on. Going to shoot fireworks this evening. Oh, I released my button. Going to shoot fireworks this evening. It's to the point where, like, this pond is so, hang on, generational lock-in. Pick it up, you know you want it. I don't think I'm using the right bait. I'm tossing it straight at them. These bass, I'll know whenever I get one, because this is like the most sensitive rod I think I've ever used in my entire fishing. There's a bluegill. I'm about to drop this rod. If this wasn't like a decent, besides it being a push button, this wasn't a decent rod, like it's a decent rod. Since it's a push button, I really just want to toss it into my pond and never see it again. I want to toss this worm and never see it again. I reckon that this worm ain't gonna last too much longer because it messed up. Comment down below, what long form videos do you want me to do? Because I looked at the long form video I made yesterday, And I thought, that's doing pretty good. So let me know, do you want to see more long form? And if you want to see more long form, what kind of long form? Like fishing, I can get you fishing. Razor riding. I can get you a lot. That was the most depressing cast I've ever had. You know, I don't really give a crap about this, so I'm gonna catch a fish. It's gonna be right there. Need to work this bait a little bit slower. I think that was my problem. I'm working it too fast. Because it's like 90 degrees currently, and I think I need to work it like 10 times slower. Well, that might be the GG's. Please, please, come here, come on. Come on. Please, no. No, not like this. Not like this. No. Well, I need to stop losing hooks. If we ever cut these trees down, I could find about $100 of lures probably. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Let's go. I ain't gonna catch a fish on this cast. It's my last, that's not my last, no. Not at all my last cast. All right, if this one's a good one, this is my last cast. That'll have to do. That will have to do. Also, gaming. Would y'all want to see gaming? I'm not gonna catch your fish. Golly. There's always been something devouring something. Hold up, this is gonna... Cough, cough. This is my last cast if I see a fish. If I don't, I think it's just frogs. Well, that's full on. My fish are like, nah. You fishing daytime, no top water? Nah, you fishing top water now, son, daytime. Well, thank you guys for watching this challenge too hard with bass. I'm gonna try to catch a bluegill. I'll probably be getting ready to make that video too. So, God bless, make sure to like, subscribe, watch for more videos. Peace.